Hello everybody, so in this video you're gonna learn how to make and upload a YouTube channel banner. Take it away.
Yeah, so for this one, it's going to be a bit more of an in-depth process. So step one, you're going to want to click on the dedicated YouTube Studio button, which will take you into the YouTube Creator Studio. Once you're here, you're going to want to click on customization, and the thing at the very top of your screen will be this banner image. Now, how does this work? It says it just needs to be 2048 pixels by 1152 pixels. Well, that's not really true for all devices. So, what you're going to want to do is go into Canva, for example. We're just going to open up Canva. And we're going to click on Create a Design. And it's going to be YouTube Banner. Obviously, it's bigger than the recommended size because you never go with the bare minimum recommended size. How does this work? Like, the sizes are just different, and you see this illustration of a TV, a laptop, and a phone. Well, what you need to do is type in YouTube banner size. And then you go to images, and it's going to give you this. What you're going to want to do with this is just copy the image. Make sure that the image is the same amount of pixels as the TV resolution, as that is the maximum resolution. And now that you have it copied, what you're going to want to do is just put this into Canva, PixArt, or whatever you use to make your images. Now we're gonna go to background, and I'm just gonna make it like this color, for example, or this color, it doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna go and add a text box in the text box safe area, and we're just gonna type in Minecraft videos. I'm gonna make this bigger, and you just make sure it's aligned to some extent. Now you just select the font. Boom. Just gonna do that. Make the color white. Effects, outline, make the outline dark. And now that you have your logo, or well, your text finished, all you need to do is just delete the guide. And there you go. We're gonna align this just a bit better. And we're gonna make this a bit larger, which means we're gonna need to realign it. And there we go, that's close enough. And you just delete this, and there you go. That is a banner image. Now if you download it from whichever service you use, or if you use something like paint.net, you save it. And I just click upload, and there you go. You will see that this Minecraft videos text is now viewable on all devices. You just click done, and now you click publish, and there you go. That's how you select and change your channel banner for your YouTube channel. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye!